Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's episode we are going to be fixing the Fiesta again. Yesterday we was at Lydden Hill for the first time testing the car and it went quite well, but unfortunately we did have a couple issues. We had an overheating issue which we think we know what it was, and we did also break a shock line that goes to the nitrogen canister. So we are going to be fixing that before the Super Pre at Lydden again next week. But yeah, in today's episode we're going to be doing a few of the things, hopefully be launching the car again for the first time because we weren't allowed to do that yesterday. But yeah, we might be launching the car today as well, which I'm sure some of you would like to see. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get into the video. Right, so here we are just filling the rad back up with water. Turns out we did lose quite a lot yesterday on the practice session, but we didn't know where the leaks were coming from, so we're just filling the system back up now so we can test where the leaks are and then fix them leaks so we can then get the system like properly bled up.
Just keep an eye on it, see if it comes up the red. It's taking a lot of water, that's for sure. You seen if it coming up yet?
No. Nothing.
I can hear the air coming out.
There we go. Nearly there. But I still can't feel the water with my finger.
Right.
Yeah, I can now. Here we are. Nearly there. Like, probably half an inch off.
Right.
Now obviously this rad being as big as it is and the long pipes running through the car takes a lot of water, but we're up to up to the top now, so yeah.
Any coolant in it yet until we know we've cured the leaks.
Right, so on the quick we're just pressure bleeding the system here. You can see that's what that's doing now. Right, there's a drip here. Oh, there it is, down there.
Can you see it?
Yep, there's loads of water coming out down there.
Just take that off. Oh.
This is just in there, just below that pipe.
Just wet.
Right, so round two.
Ready?
Yep.
Right. We've got 20 psi in there. Can you just go around, look at all the other joints?
Nothing coming out there.
Ow! Look under the under the bonnet. Round by where the water.
Oh yeah, there's water coming out here.
Where?
At the front here.
Okay. Right.
The front seems alright.
Now we've got to stop the water. There's a water leak on the engine side as well. Let's have a look at that.
Do you want to repressurise this up?
I will do, yeah, let's see where it's at the moment.
Yep.
I think we'll just go round and check every joint anyway.
Yeah. These ones seem alright. That one, can't see anything coming out.
No. There is a leak up there though.
Yeah. But that's through the...
Yeah, I think that might just be that gasket which under was a little bit.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be a lot dripping underneath. The one back here is from that earlier leak. Right, so quick update. We have fixed all the leaks within the car. There was a small leak from here. There was a couple of leaks around the back of the rad, up the end and towards the engine bay as well. Dad's just rewrapping the pipe now. So yeah, I think it's all fixed now.
They're 10 mil. It's up the top here. Nice one. Theory, I think what you can do, we'll stick the water pump back on.
Yep.
And just get the water circulating again. And we'll get them covers on inside.
So just check. They're all tight. So, water pump on?
Cap's on, isn't it? Yeah.
Yep.
Now we've probably got to bleed some air out of this.
So far, so good. Right, so earlier in the video I said about the test launch. Well, here it is. We did have to play about with some two-step settings, but nonetheless, we're getting there. Might need to up it even more, but here it is. Obviously, for some of you who know a bit more, you can see that we're struggling a little bit to actually break enough traction, and that's purely because our turbo's really laggy at the moment, so we need to almost launch close to the limiter, just so we're building enough boost to actually break the traction. It's something we're going to be changing imminently with the turbo, but obviously not before Lydden. But anyway, this is it for today's episode. It is all sorted now. Hopefully we can get out for Lydden and we'll get some more footage there. See you in a bit.